It looks like someone spilled a ton of rice on a forest road in Pennsylvania. But look closer, this rice is moving. These are actually flat-backed millipedes. The white color shows that these are very young individuals. Heavy rains flooded their underground homes, forcing them to come out all at once for a mass evacuation. As they grow up, they will turn dark. Despite their creepy look, they are completely harmless to humans. They cannot bite and only break down decaying leaves, helping the forest. I'm here almost every day. Sub.